It's a great question. The critical factors for hospitality is really around getting customers through the door. So your investment in an ERP has to go from the perspective of how do we get more customers in through the door. Now, to do that could be multiple things. And the investment in the CRM to understand, buyers' behaviors, have better outreach programs to actually drive the sales. So that's an important part of the aspect. But that's generally not necessarily part of the ERP purchase. What's really important and part of the ERP purchase, especially on the accounting and finance side, is how do we bring that sales related information or the operational related data that's happening within the business and surfacing it to the front with financial data so you can get better insights in what's actually happening with the customers. For example, what is actually the amount of customers we have during season? How many times do we have empty rooms? How many cancellations do we have? What is the impact in terms of our delay in booking, in terms of getting the right price to the customer and losing that customer? Can your ERP handle that sort of complexity in terms of insights and reporting, or is it done in Excel or outside the systems on paper?